Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll listen to a natural, everyday conversation between two friends, Ray and Andy, as they catch up and talk about work, hobbies, and life changes, all while using common phrasal verbs. Stick around and try to catch all the useful expressions. This is one of the easiest ways to sound more natural in English. Hey Andy, it's been a while. How have you been? Yeah, Ray, I've been caught up with work lately. Barely had time to slow down. I hear you. Did you end up changing jobs like you were planning? I did. I finally worked up the courage and handed in my notice. I wrapped things up at the old place and moved on. No way, that's great news. So, how's the new place treating you? It took me a few weeks to get used to everything, but I'm slowly settling in. Well, that's a good sign. You seemed really worn out before. I was. Honestly, I could hardly keep up. I almost gave up a couple of times. Glad you didn't. Sometimes a change is just what we need. I've been thinking about taking a short break myself. You should. When I stepped back for a bit, I realized I had been putting up with way too much stress. So, what else is new? Are you doing anything outside of work? Yeah! I picked up painting again. I even signed up for a weekend art class. That's awesome. I feel like I just go to work and crash. Same here. That's why I figured I should try something different and pick up a hobby. I even started running in the mornings. You're on a roll. I tried that once, but kept falling off the routine. It happens. But if you stick to it, it gets easier. You just need to push through the first few days. That's true. I always talk myself out of it. Well, now that you've said it, no backing out. Let's start running together on Saturdays. That actually sounds good, but I'll need to get new shoes. Mine are falling apart. Let me know when you do. I'll swing by and pick you up. We'll take it slow. Deal. It's always good catching up with you. You make everything sound doable. Same here, Andy. Gotta stick together and keep each other on track. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.